Hello everyone! Welcome back to Zairene's Litcast, and in today's podcast, we will discuss the summary and analysis of A Handful of Dates by Tayyib Sali. Here's the summary. The story was narrated by a young boy who deeply loves his grandfather, a respected and wealthy man in their village. The boy often accompanies his grandfather, listens to his stories, and helps him with his work in the date palm groves. The central conflict arises from the grandfather's relationship with a neighbor named Masood, who is poor and has fallen into debts. The boy's grandfather takes ownership of Masood's property and his date palms. The boy is present when the grandfather and the villagers harvest the dates from the acquired trees. He watches in dismay as the men eagerly gather the dates. The boy feels conflicted and disgusted by the scene. He sees the date harvest not as a celebration but as a symbol of Masood's humiliation and the grandfather's cold, calculating nature. Overwhelmed by these emotions, the boy runs away from the harvest. He throws the dates he had collected into the river and vomits, symbolizing his rejection of his grandfather's injustice. This event marks a turning point for the boy, shattering his innocent admiration for his grandfather and revealing the complexities of human relationship and morality. And now we have the analysis. In a Marxist approach, the story tells themes of class divisions and economic exploitation, the grandfather's greediness and the young boy Masood's poor status. This story has unjust social and economic order. In a formalism approach, the story has a narrative structures that perfectly plots the story. And for the psychological analysis, A Handful of Dates presents the boy's psychological journey from innocence to painful reality. As mentioned in the story, the grandson signifies the loss of his childhood innocence to his grandfather. And that would be all in today's Litcast. I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless.